Hello friends, welcome back to Amruta's Blink. I am Amruta Kulkarni. Today we are going to discuss new chapter Quadratic Equations. This chapter Quadratic Equations comes under the section of Mathematical Ability and Mathematical Reasoning, specifically Algebra. In this video we will cover 10 problems covering the concept of solution of quadratic equations by factorization as well as by formula. We will also cover few word problems. This video is useful for students who would like to study algebraic concepts, polynomials, quadratic equations, school students 8th grade onwards, as well as graduate and undergraduate students who are preparing for competitive exams, MBA entrance, post-graduation entrance, as well as bank POs, etc. So let's quickly start the topic. In this video we will see 10 practice problems. Quadratic equations, solutions of quadratic equation by factorization and formula, as well as word problems. Problem number 1. Jatin and Chirag together have 45 chocolates. Both of them lost 5 chocolates each, and the number of chocolates they now have is 124. Find out how many chocolates they had. 25, 20, 20, 25, 45, 36 and 9, and data insufficient. Now if you analyze the options, 25 plus 20 will also give you the summation of 45, as well as 40 and 5 will also give you summation as 45. 36 plus 9 is also 45. So looking at the options, we cannot decide the answer. Let's say number of chocolates which Jatin had is X. Now it's given that Jatin and Chirag together have 45 chocolates. So out of 45, if Jatin is having X chocolates, then obviously number of chocolates with Chirag will be equal to 45 minus X. Now next information is given. Both of them lost 5 chocolates each. So now as originally Jatin was having X chocolates, so now he will be having 5 chocolates. Similarly, Chirag was originally having 45 minus X chocolates, so now he will have 45 minus X minus 5, that is 40 minus X chocolates. Now further information is given. Both of them lost 5 chocolates each, and the product of number of chocolates they now have is 124. Hence we have to consider these numbers, that is X minus 5 and 40 minus X. So product of X minus 5 and 40 minus X is given as 124. So X minus 5 into 40 minus X is equal to 124. So we'll simplify this equation. Now X into 40 is 40X. X into minus X is minus X square. Minus 5 into plus 40 is minus 200. And minus 5 into minus X is plus 5X is equal to 124. We'll rearrange this equation. So minus X square. Now 40X plus 5X is equal to 45X minus 200 as it is, and this 124 will become minus when brought to left hand side. So minus 200 minus 124 is equal to 0. So we will have minus X square plus 45X minus 324 is equal to 0. Now if we multiply the complete equation by minus 1, then we will get X square minus 45X plus 324 is equal to 0. So we need to solve this equation. Let's say by factorization method we will try to solve this equation. X square minus 45X plus 324 is equal to 0. We can find out the factors of 324 as 36 into 9, which will give us the summation as minus 45. Hence X square minus 36X minus 9X plus 324 is equal to 0. So this minus 45 we have break this as minus 36X minus 9X. So now from this one X common, X into X minus 36 From last two terms we'll take minus 9 common. So x minus 36 is equal to 0. So x minus 36 into x minus 9 is equal to 0. Now if x minus 36 is equal to 0, we'll get x is 36, and if x minus 9 is equal to 0, we'll get x is equal to 9. Hence, how many, and what is asked in the question is how many chocolates they had. So let's say Jatin was having 36 chocolates, then in that case Chirag must be having 9 chocolates, or vice versa. So therefore Jatin was having 36 or 9 chocolates. That is answer option D, 36 or 9. So in this problem we need to create the equation as well as we need to solve this equation. Let's move to second problem of the video. There is a number between 10 and 100. When the number is multiplied by the digit on the left, the product is 280. If the sum of the digits is multiplied by the same digit, then the product is 55. What is the number? 56, 65, 54 and many possible values. Let's say the digits of the number are x and y. Now if you have y as units place and x as tens place, then what is the place value of y? So place value of y will be equal to just y because it is at units place, but place value of this x, which is right now at tens place, will be equal to 10x. Hence, when the digits are x and y, actually your number will become 10x plus y. Now as the number is between 10 to 100, that means it is a 2-digit number, and hence we had assumed the digits of the number as x and y. Now it's given that when the number is multiplied by the digits on the digit on the left hand, the product is 280. So from this 10x plus y, the digit on the left is x, and hence we will get the equation as x into 10x plus y is equal to 280. So if we expand this, we will get 10x square plus xy is equal to 280. So let's say from this equation the value of xy is equal to 280 minus 10x square, or this equation which we have got in the previous step, that is 10x square plus xy is equal to 280. You can mark this as an equation 1. Now we will move next. Now we will move to next statement, that is if the sum of the digit is multiplied by the same digit, then the product is 55. The same digit, that means the digit which was at left, which we had used in the which we had used to form the previous equation. So x into, now what is the sum of the digit? Sum of the digit is x plus y. So x into x plus y is equal to 55. So let's say x square plus xy is equal to 55. Now there was equation 1, that is 10x square plus xy is equal to 280, and we have also got x square plus xy is equal to 55. So what we will do is we will try to eliminate y from both these equation. So either way you can subtract equation 2 from equation 1, or what I have done here is from first equation, that is 10x square plus xy is equal to 280. So I have rearranged this and found the value of xy, that is xy is equal to 280 minus 10x square. Now what I will do is I will put this value of xy in equation 2. So xy is equal to 280 minus 10x square, will substitute this value in this equation 2, that is x square plus xy is equal to 55. Hence now instead of xy we will write 280 minus 10x square from equation 1, and hence x square plus 280 minus 10x square is equal to 55. So x square minus 10x square is minus 9x square, and plus 280 minus 255 will be equal to minus 225. So, after rearranging, we will get minus 9x square is equal to minus 225, that is 9x square is equal to plus 225, hence x square is equal to 25. That is, now if we take square root of both the sides, then we will get x is equal to plus or minus 5. But now in the question it was given that the number is between 10 to 100, that means the number is positive. So we have to ignore minus 5, hence value of x will be just plus 5. So the number, now we need to calculate the what is the number. We have got the value of x. Now you can put this value of x in either equation 1 or equation 2 and you can find out the value of y. So let's say I am putting this value of x in equation number 2, that is x into x plus y is equal to 55. So 5 into 5 plus y is equal to 55, that is 5 plus y is equal to 11, and hence y is equal to 6. Now what is our original number? Original number is 10x plus y. So 10 into 5 plus 6, that is 56, and hence it is answer option A, that the required number is 56. So solution answer option is A, that is 56. This problem was a slightly difficult problem because here we have used multiple concepts of place value of a number, space value of a number, creating quadratic equation, forming quadratic equation from the word problem, and then solution of that quadratic equation. Hence we can say that difficulty level of this problem was a bit higher. Let's say difficulty level of 4 out of 5. Let's move to next problem, problem number 3. A cottage industry produces certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy in rupees was found to be 55 minus number of toys produced in one day. On a particular day, the total cost of production was rupees 750. Find the number of toys produced on that day. 30, 25, 20, 22 and both A or B. Now what is asked in the question? Find out number of toys produced on that particular day. So we will assume that number of toys produced on that particular day is equal to X. Now it is given that a cottage industry produces certain number of toys in a day, that is, let's say X. The cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus number of toys produced on that particular day. Hence, on that particular day, what must be the cost of production of each toy? That is 55 minus X. Then we need to calculate the total cost. So total cost will be total number of toys produced into cost per toy, that is X into 55 minus X. And it is given that this cost is nothing but 750. Hence, X into 55 minus X is equal to 750. So we need to solve this equation. So 55 into X is 55X minus X square is equal to 750. So minus X square plus 55X minus 750 is equal to 0. Now we will multiply the complete equation by minus 1. So X square minus 55X plus 750 is equal to 0. Now we need to find out two factors of 750, two factors of plus 750, which will give us the summation of minus 55, that is nothing but minus 30 and minus 25. Hence we will split this 55 into 30x and 25x. So x square minus 36, x square minus 30x minus 25x plus 750 is equal to 0. So x into bracket x minus 30 minus 25 common. So minus 20 into bracket x minus 30 is equal to 0. Then we will take x minus 30 common. So x minus 30 into x minus 25 is equal to 0. So either x minus 30 is equal to 0, in that case x is equal to 30, and or x minus 25 is equal to 0. In that case, x will be equal to 25. So, if on a particular day, let's say if 30 toys are produced, then cost of production of each toy will be 55 minus 30, that is 25. At the same time, if 25 toys are produced, then cost of production will be 30, that is 55 minus 25. So, in both the cases, the given equation of total cost to be equal to 750 remains valid, and hence there are two possible answer options, that is 30 and 25. Hence, answer option is E, that is both A and B are possible because number of toys produced on a particular day must be 30 or 25. This problem was also having a slightly higher difficulty level, that is 4 out of 5. Let's move to problem number 4. Solve x minus 2 bracket square plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. Now here we just need to find out the factors of this equation and we need to find out the value of x. So 4 or 2, 3 or 6, 0, 1 and none of these. X minus 2 bracket square plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. We will simplify this equation and we will create standard quadratic equation from this given polynomial. So, first of all we will expand x minus 2 bracket square as x square minus 4x plus 4, because we know what is square of a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Hence, x minus 2 bracket square is equal to x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 1 as it is equal to 2x plus 3. So, x square now minus 4x, this minus 2x will give you minus 6x, plus 4 plus 1 is plus 5 and plus 3 is plus 8. Hence, x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now, we need to find out two factors of this plus 8 which will give summation as minus 6, which is nothing but minus 4 and minus 2. Hence, x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8 is equal to 0. So, x into bracket x minus 4 minus 2 into bracket x minus 4 is equal to 0. Hence, x minus 4 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now, either x minus 4 is equal to 0, then x is equal to plus 4, or x minus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 2. Hence, our answer option is A, which is 4 or 2. Let's move to problem number 5. Solve x into 2x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 1 minus 3 plus or minus root 13 upon 3 minus 3 plus or minus root 17 upon 2 minus 3 plus or minus root 13 upon 2, 1 and none of these. We need to solve this given equation as x into 2x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 1. X into 2x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 1. Now, this x into 2x will be equal to 2x square. At the same time, this x into 3 will be equal to 3x is equal to right hand side, that is x square plus 1 as it is. So, now what we will do is we will turn from RHS right hand side to left hand side. So, 2x square minus x square will be equal to x square plus 3x as it is. Now, this plus 1 will become minus 1 on the left hand side. Hence, we will get the equation as x square plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, we need to find out factors of minus 1 which will give us the summation as plus 3, but which is not possible. Hence, in order to find out the value of x, we need to use the formula. So, the given polynomial x square plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. We will compare this with the standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So after comparison we will get the values as a is equal to 1, b is equal to plus 3 and c is equal to minus 1. Now from the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a, we will calculate the value of x, that is x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus 3 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 upon 2 into 1, that is minus 3 plus or minus 9 plus 4 upon 2. So minus 3 plus or minus under root 13 upon 2. This is the value of x, and hence our answer option is answer option C, that is value of x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus under root 13 upon 2. Let's move to problem number 6. Solve x plus 2 bracket cube is equal to x cube minus 4. Minus 2 plus or minus under root minus 4 upon 2, 2 plus or minus under root minus 4 upon 2, minus 2 plus or minus under root of 4 upon 2, 0 and none of these. Now apparently it seems that the given polynomial is a cubic polynomial. Let's try to simplify this polynomial first. X plus 2 bracket cube is equal to x cube minus 4. Now we know the formula that a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square and plus b cube. By using this formula we will simplify the given polynomial. So x plus 2 bracket cube is nothing but x cube plus 3 into x square into 2 plus 3 into x into 2 square plus 2 cube is equal to right hand side as it is, that is x cube minus 4. So x cube plus 3x square into 2 is 6x square. 3x into 2 square, that is 4 into 2 is 12x plus 2 cube is 8 is equal to x cube minus 9. Hence now we can cancel out x cube from both the sides. So whatever is remaining is x square plus 12x plus 8 plus 4 is equal to plus 12. So 6x square plus 12x plus 12 is equal to 0. That is x square plus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0 if we divide the complete equation by plus 6. Now in order to solve this quadratic equation by factorization, we need to find out the factors of this 2, which will give us the summation of this plus 2, which is practically not possible. Hence we will solve this polynomial with the help of formula. Again, by comparing this polynomial with standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we will get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is also equal to 2. Now what is the value of x? X is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So we will put the values of a, b and c. So x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2 square minus 4 into 1 into 2 upon 2 into 1. So minus 2 plus or minus 2 square is 4, minus 4 into 2 is minus 8 upon 2. So minus 2 plus or minus under root of minus 4 upon 2, which is answer option A, that is minus 2 plus or minus under root of minus 4 upon 2. Now here in this problem you have got minus number under the square root of sign. So actually this is a complex or imaginary number. So we will keep this solution as it is, that x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus under root of minus 4 upon 2. We will move to problem number 7. Solve 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2 or x is equal to 3 by 2. X is equal to 0 or 3 by 2. X is equal to 1 or 5 by 2. X is equal to 1 or 3 by 2 and none of these. 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now what we need to do is we need to find out first of all the product of this a and c. So if you compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then you need to find out the factors of this a into c in order to give you the summation of b. Hence, 3 into 2 is 6. So you need to find out the factors of plus 6, which will give you the summation as minus 5, that is again minus 2 and minus 3. Hence 2x square is equal to so we need to find out the factors of this plus 6 as minus 2 and minus 3. So minus 2 into minus 3 will be plus 6, and minus 2 minus 3 will give us the summation as minus 5. Hence we will split this minus 5x into minus 2x minus 3x. So 2x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now from first two terms we will take 2x common. So 2x into bracket x minus 1, and from these two terms we will take minus 3 common. So minus 3 in bracket x minus 1. Now we will take x minus 1 common. So x minus 1 into 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So either x minus 1 is equal to 0, then we will have x is equal to 1, or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, then we will have x is equal to 3 by 2. So our answer option is answer option D, that is x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 3 by 2. We'll quickly move to problem number 8. Find the roots of the quadratic equation 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2 by 3 or 1 by 2. X is equal to minus 2 by 3 or minus 1 by 2. X is equal to 2 by 3 or minus 1 by 2. X is equal to 2 by 3 or 1 by 2, and none of these. Now same options are given, only the thing is signs are different. So we know that 2 by 3 and 1 by 2 will be there, but we just need to cross check the signs. 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now this 6 into 2 is nothing but 12, but 6 is positive, 2 is negative. So 6 into minus 2 is 12. So we need to find out the factors of 12, which will give us the summation as minus 1. So we will split this as minus 4 and plus 3. So now minus 4 into plus 3 is minus 12, and minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. Hence 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. From this 6x square and 4x we will take 2x common. So 2x into bracket 3x minus 2, and here nothing is common, so plus 1 into bracket 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. That is 3x minus 2 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now either 3x minus 2 can be equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 can be equal to 0. So if 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to plus 2 by 3, or 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, then x will be equal to minus 1 by 2. Hence the values of x are plus 2 by 3 or minus 1 by 2, which is there in answer option C. Let's move to problem. Find the roots of quadratic equation 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to under root 4 by 3, x is equal to under root 2 by 5, x is equal to under root 2 by 7, x is equal to under root 2 by 3, or none of these. So we need to find out the roots of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 2 root x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now this 3 into 2 is nothing but plus 6. So we need to find out the factors of this plus 6, which will give us the summation as minus 2 root 6. So if we simply have the product of root 6 minus root 6 into root 6. So minus under root 6 into minus under root 6 is equal to plus 6, and minus under root 6 minus under root 6 will be equal to this minus 2 root 6. Hence we will split this minus 2 root 6x as root 6x minus root 6x. Hence 3x square minus root 6x minus root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now this root 6 is little bit difficult to understand. So what we will do is, we will split this 3 also as root 3 into root 3x square, and this root 6 as root 2x into root 3x. Similarly, this third term minus root 6x also we will split as minus under root 2x into root 3x, and this plus 2 also we will split it as root 2 into root 2. So root 3 into root 3 is 3 and root 2 into root 2 is 2. So what we have done is, we have split the whole part of 3 and 2 as root 3 into root 3 and whole part of 2 as root 2 into root 2. Now if you observe these first two terms, you can easily take out root 3x common. So under bracket what will be remaining is root 3x minus root 2. Similarly, from this third and fourth term, you can easily take out root 2 common. So in bracket root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. So root 3x minus root 2 common into bracket root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. That is root 3x minus root 2 bracket square is equal to 0. Hence root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. That is root 3x is equal to root 2, and hence x is equal to root 2 upon root 3, that is under root 2 by 3, which is nothing but answer option D. Now here you need to understand the concept of, now this problem was slightly difficult because here concept of square roots is combined with quadratic equation. So it is a little bit difficult to find out and analyze the factors, and to find out the common factors. So answer option is D, that is under root 2 by 3. Let's move to the last problem of this video, problem number 10. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. Find the integer. 17 or 18, 18 or 19, 19 or 20, 5 or 7, and none of these. The product of two consecutive integers is given. So let's suppose if one integer is x, then the next integer to x will be x plus 1. Hence we can easily create the equation as x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. That is x square plus x is equal to 306. Hence x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. Now you need to find out the factors of 306, which will give you the summation as plus 1. So 18 and 17. So x square plus 18x minus 17x minus 306 is equal to 0. So x into bracket x plus 18 minus 17 into bracket x plus 18 is equal to 0. X plus 18 into x minus 17 is equal to 0. If x plus 18 is equal to 0 or x minus 17 is equal to 0. Now if x plus 18 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 18, but it is to be ignored because it is given that the integers are positive integers, hence we cannot take the value of minus 18. So x minus 17 is equal to 0. Now in that case x is equal to 17, hence the given integers are 17 and x plus 1, that is 18. So answer option is A, that is 17 and 18. So in this video we have seen 10 problems based on quadratic equations. In next video we will come back with new chapter and few more problems. Thank you.